Welcome back to Technology Tuition. Today we're exploring Amazon S3, the most widely used object storage service in AWS that delivers virtually unlimited, durable, and secure storage for everything from static websites to big data analytics. You'll see why S3 underpins modern data-driven applications. Amazon S3 stores data as objects in buckets, supporting structured files, JSON, XML, unstructured media, backups, archives, data lakes, and more. S3 offers multiple storage classes tailored to access patterns: standard for frequent access, standard IA for infrequent access, one zone IA for single zone infrequent access, Glacier for archives with retrieval times from minutes to hours, and Glacier Deep Archive for long-term retention. Features such as lifecycle policies, versioning, and encryption help optimize costs and secure your data. Benefits of S3 include unlimited scalability, 11 nines of durability, global accessibility via simple web APIs, and pay-as-you-go pricing. Common uses include website hosting, data backup, content distribution, data lakes, and storing application assets. Best practices include configuring lifecycle rules to transition objects between classes, enabling versioning to guard against accidental deletions, applying bucket policies and IAM controls for security, and monitoring costs with AWS Cost Explorer. Amazon S3 is the foundation for data-driven applications. Next up, we'll cover AWS Lambda. Subscribe to Technology Tuition for more cloud insights.